Ever feel like your money just vanishes? Like poof, gone on random stuff you don't even need? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you your brain's wiring is the real culprit? Stick around. I've got 5 quick psych hacks that could save you $1,000 this month alone. Let's dive in. First, the wallet freeze. Your brain loves instant gratification, dopamine hit from buying crap. Hack it by freezing your credit card in ice. Literally. Next time you want to impulse buy, you gotta thaw it out. Gives your rational side time to kick in. Boom, hundreds saved. Hack 2, mental buckets. Our minds suck at tracking abstract cash, so divide your money into buckets, like fun, bills, savings. Apps like Mint make it easy. Psych studies show this cuts overspending by 30% because it feels more real. Number 3, the pain of paying. Swiping a card feels painless, but cash? Ouch, that hurts more psychologically. Switch to cash for non-essentials. Research from Duke says it slashes impulse buys by half. 4, future self-check-in. Your brain discounts the future. You today screws over you tomorrow. Before buying, ask, would future me thank me? It's a mindset shift that builds long-term wealth. Last one, reward rewrite. Turn saving into a game. Brain craves rewards, so every $100 saved, treat yourself small, like a coffee. Positive reinforcement loops you into better habits. Sound doable? Try one today and drop in comments which hack you're starting with. If it saves you cash, smash that like and subscribe for more mind money tricks. Let's get that $1,000 back.